Hi everyone, I'm Joy at Standby to Fly. So our oldest son works for major airlines, which allows us to fly in unsold seats. Unfortunately, we never know where we're going to end up. We never know what seat we're going to be in. A lot of times it's a middle seat. But when we get really lucky and we're traveling often, sometimes we've gotten Delta One, which is amazing. If you know what Delta One seats are, it's those that actually recline so you can lay flat. You get a 4-course fancy meal, and usually with ice cream sundaes for dessert, and get catered upon all the snacks and drinks and alcohol that you could possibly love. So one of the other things that comes in Delta One are these great little amenity kits. Now you think, oh, that's not very popular or that big a thing, but I've accumulated quite a few over the times, and I wanted to show you what's in these kits so you kind of have an idea. So first is an organic toothbrush, and inside you have a small little tube of toothpaste. It's about this big and probably the width of your size of your small pinky. You also receive eye masks and a pair of earplugs. You receive a pen, especially if you're going international, and not only do you want to doodle while you're traveling on the napkins, or if you bring a journal, but also to fill out any papers that are needed. You also get this cute little bag, and in it comes, first you have hand cream, and then you have lip balm. So kind of cute little travel-wise. Some of the people out there that I've heard, sometimes they take these little packs and use them for other repurposing. It's kind of a fun little thing. The reason I'm sharing this with you today is this month is my birthday. So I've been doing this a year, and I'm really hoping to grow my channel. So I am going to do a raffle with these wonderful little travel bag at the end of the month for all those people who have liked and subscribed. I'm going to do a drawing and send you your very own Delta One amenity kit. So the only catch is it needs to be someone in the US. Maybe eventually we'll do international. Put in the comments if you're interested. That would allow me to fly to your country and maybe mail it from there. So anyways, if you can help me out, I'm really ambitious this year and hoping to do a great job and improve my qualities and quantities. Thanks so much, and please like and subscribe. Have a great day.